Hi there, virtual friends. Hi, I'm Viv. Today I will be doing a full-on glow up for my 22nd birthday since I still look like a 12-year-old without makeup, without a fit. I don't know where to start. So yeah, I just need to get a workout done today and let's start off with the day. So alright, welcome to my messy kitchen. So I need to get started with skincare and everything. So not feeling productive today. So for my skincare, I'm gonna use the Himalayan Aztec, I'm gonna be using the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. I've been using this for a while as an exfoliant because, you know, bead exfoliants are gonna wear and tear your skin apart. And I just activate it with apple cider vinegar straight with the mother. I was gonna say from the mother, but it's not milk. So normally it really helps out with drying out my my acne a bit and to exfoliate my pores. That way I don't have to like rub everything off. So I do like a spoonful of this and I get the same amount of spoonful from the apple cider vinegar. I used to try to drink a shot of this every morning. And then typically if you have very sensitive skin, I would put it on for 10 minutes, but usually I put it on for 20 minutes, which is the maximum amount of time that you should be putting this on your face. Alright, so that's the consistency I really want, which is very clay-like, as you could really tell. So yeah, as I'm gonna be doing this, I'm gonna give myself some nail care. Yeah, since we're in the middle of coronavirus, still I don't really feel comfortable with staying an hour in a nail salon right now. I feel like I could just do this myself, especially since I'm not doing gel and I'm just polishing and grooming it myself since I know how to do it. So yeah, this will make you smell kind of funky, so it gives me a day to get rid of that apple cider smell. Got my nail care box. So I got everything in here. As I'm waiting for this mask to, get all stiffened up and everything, I'm gonna round them out a little bit. Also, warning for this video, I don't do everything in order, meaning like I'll do random skincare throughout the day and do my hair and nails in the middle of it. And yeah, most people, they're like, oh yeah, this section's for skincare, this section's for nails. For me, is I like to do random things throughout the day when it's most efficient. For example, I'm doing a mask right now and then I have to wash it off later. So doing my nails in between time of waiting for my mask is so much more efficient than waiting for the end of the day. I try to do my best to be productive while the sun is still out and shining in my room right now. I'm almost done and then I'll come back to you when I shave my face. Alright, my skin feels so much softer, so that really helped. And I'm gonna hydrate my skin with the aloe vera gel. This is from Nature Republic. So I have the microblade right here. I wish I knew about this way sooner. I'm just gonna gel that all over, and that way it prevents from any razor burns on my face. That way it glides. Actually, I'm gonna fill in my brows a little bit. This is a technique I like to do to know where I want my brows to end up. So I'm gonna use an old brow pencil. I'm gonna get rid of this whole tail right here and my mustache. I had this insecurity for the longest time about my hair around here, like all over my cheek, and I have like a little beard right here. Yeah, I would recommend doing this on a good day when you're breaking out less. And right now I don't have any other breakouts other than these two, even though it looks like it's just hyper pigmentation everywhere. my god, it feels so much softer. I mean, you can't really tell a difference from afar, but after the redness goes down a little bit, then I can really tell how brightened my face is. Alright, tough part done. I feel so much better. It feels so much softer. It feels like baby skin. Alright, so I'm gonna go fix up my hair now. So alright, so I'm gonna fix my hair for a little bit. So recently I cut my hair into more layers than the boring way it was before. I know, like Gen Z, they love their middle parted hair, but technically I am Gen Z, even though I feel like I was born a millennial. And I didn't know I was Gen Z until like just recently. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit of a trim. Overlap, kind of like that. I know, you're just sitting here like, how does she recklessly just cut her hair? And I'm like, because I've been doing this for a long time. Honey, once you start cutting your hair, you just never really come back once you succeeded in something that you never thought you would actually succeed in. Well, I gotta be productive and actually get some work done before I celebrate anything that I don't believe is like the most greatest time of my life, but I'm trying to keep up a great mentality, trying to stay positive. We're kind of at that point right now when we're stuck in quarantine. If you're in Australia and New Zealand, you guys are probably really lucky to just be able to go to raves and do whatever you want right now. But anyways, this is just me being stuck at home, clearly going crazy and berserk right now. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit later. I would like to give a friendly reminder during my study break to drink water because it's good for your skin. Also, you can eat a snack, you know, because why not? But yes, it's a friendly reminder, drink water. I'm gonna paint my nails. Alright, I just washed up, cleaned up after I ate dinner, and I'm gonna do my nails.
Are you ready?
I think this color is called To Be Continued. Good morning. Even though I did all that, your girl is internally bleeding and externally bleeding, so. Anyways, I'm gonna get on with my day. I just did a meeting with my advisor about my graduation and its requirements. As you can see here, some little friends just popped out of nowhere. I'm in pain right now. I'm in so much pain. Oh, so much pain. Weird, because I was working out and they just cramped out of nowhere when I was just doing abs. And now they're just feeling so achy and I'm just so fatigued. I don't know how I'm gonna go on throughout the day.
I feel like I'm dead.
I'm
alive, but I'm dead.
But I'm alive. But I'm not. Yeah, I had to put this heating pad on my tummy here. Usually I'm at my table with my comfortable chair, but today I just wasn't feeling it. It was the first time I actually laid on the couch for a class this year so far, which is a big improvement. But today I feel just not okay. I gotta get up, get ready, and then lay back down. To the table! Ugh. Oh boy. Alright, so I just put on a fit. So I put on these 80s inspired jeans from YesStyle, put a regular tank top, and I cut out my turtleneck from a while ago. And since I curled my hair, a little bell moment, you know? Next, Alright, concealer. I'm just gonna try to rush everything I can right now. Unnecessary scarring. You know, I've been to so many dermatologists. It's like, what's the point anymore? I feel like I need to go to dermatologists that specialize scarring, I guess. I mean, that's what dermatology is for, but the thing is, I feel so unsatisfied when I go to a recommended one, because really they just give me a topical to try to use and try to profit off of teenagers. I feel being 22 now. Right now, I'm just in a bit of a hunch of try to reach out to your college campus or even your high school about knowing the right people to help you out with instead of being on a whim and just not knowing what else is next in store for you. So I just did something like that today since I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go to graduate school in the middle of the pandemic. But to be sure, I want to make sure that I'm learning in the best of my capabilities instead of just pushing through it, because I do not want to go to school with very little experience in the field that I want to work in. I don't know how I feel being 22. I feel like I'm still stuck in being 21 because I turned 21 right when COVID started happening in my state. I'm kind of just still stuck in that mentality in a way of just turning 21, and I've never really been to a lot of bars, so I don't have experience of what an actual 21-year-old feels like anymore. Do not illegally drink. Do not do some things that will ruin the rest of your life. I swear there's people out there who probably have a lot going on out there, especially during pandemic seasons, pandemic year. I hate my people are getting right now. The amount of hate that we're pretty much focusing on each other, I'm pretty sure that's a systemic thing that they've been planning to, like, you know, tries to get all hate each other. Pretty much just be kind to yourself and other people. Treat other people the way you want to be respected. That's pretty much what I've learned this year, because you should be aware of your own cultural biases as well. As a minority, I have a lot of responsibility in how I'm seen in the world. That puts a lot of pressure onto who we are as people. You know, I'm sick of going on TikTok and seeing the most toxic things of people just bashing on each other just for race. And people just need to start thinking critically. I'm so tired of all this hate and everything. I'm tired of hating. I'm tired of everything. But right now, I guess today is the day where I try to relax throughout the night today. Even though it's a Monday. I know it's a pandemic, but trying our best to stay safe and try to be responsible by being 6 feet away from other people and not having too big of a party, or not even having a party. Just focusing on friends you trust and the closest friends you have, as well as just knowing everyone's okay and it's not like, oh, I've been to this party, never got sick, and then show up today without feeling like you're gonna endanger anyone. So I'm just trying to talk about these things because they do frustrate me of how much progress we're not making here in America, you know what I mean? I honestly don't know what kind of look I'm going for today, but I'm just winging it. A huge goal I have for myself so far, even if we're in the panoramic, even if we're in the pandemic, build my social media in a way. I mean, I've been doing that for the longest time, but I feel like I should be doing more than I think I am. And especially since I'm in school, I have to really focus on graduating and getting my grades up as much as I can while I can. Oh, that wing. I'm impressed with myself. I'm okay, girl. Okay, girl, calm down. It's not that nice, but I'm impressed with myself today. So yeah, I'm kind of just going for some kind of foxy cat eye moment. Ooh. Finally, I can say within my 20 years of living, I improved my makeup skills, and hooded eyes are hard to deal with. Let me just tell you, as your Asian girlfriend here, hooded eyes are not easy. I know there are other girls who are not Asian with hooded eyes, sisters, y'all know too, brothers, and everyone in between and inside and outside of the spectrum. Hello, how are you? This is all for my girls right now, my biological sisters right now. When you're on your period, do you feel like you need to go to the bathroom more often? More like not number one, but number two moment right now. Like, I cannot get off of the seat, and I feel like I can go on for longer, but that's just wasting my time when I can just come back home and go for the third round or something. I don't know. We're family here. So does anyone else feel like that when it's their birthday and they feel like it's not even their birthday? It's just like any other day and you only have one birthday per year or something. Yeah, your girl needs to get off TikTok because, I don't know, I'm just trying to build my TikTok as well as learning some valuable information that actually you don't learn in school. Like, these people are trying to hustle on TikTok talking about tax and how you file tax as well as what you put on your resume. You know, I love professional TikTok algorithm. It's just so much more helpful than I ever learned in high school. So sad that I have to bring pads into my itty bitty purse everywhere I go. I did it properly today. I'm so proud. Oh my god. Been an up and down kind of day. Swig swag all up in your face, jig jag everywhere you go. I'm just lost in the meaning of my words. Why am I graduating college kind of day? Alright, that's my makeup look so far. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video so far and me and my just mess. Follow me on Instagram at subtle Asian chick as well as TikTok with the same handle, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, stay safe guys.